Yeah, we are now going to go exploring in this site. I have my flashlight, I have my knife, I have some other products in my backpack. Let's move.
Let's go. And let me just keep this in my pocket. Actually, keep this.
You hold it in your own hand.
Bottle holder. No bottle holder.
I also brought water.
I'll take it out.
I also brought water just in case if you starve here.
Oh, by the way, we need some kind of. We need to know how to get out. How would we know that? Listen,
Okay.
we can easily get in.
Yeah, you go in first.
But first, before I do that, how would we know that we have to come here again?
Primal instinct.
Let's go. Any kind of snake. Because that's what I'm worried about. Even though I'm on full pants and stuff.
I am not though. I'm not as lucky as you. Ouch. Can we get out of here is the big problem. Are we going to be able to climb out? A variable, wait for me.
There is even shorter.
Variable. Bro, I'm kind of scared. Okay, I don't know. I've become a bit of a pussy. Okay.
Okay.
Oh boy,
I know, right?
we managed to get in.
Should I hold the torch now, or will you do it first?
I'll hold it. I'll
You hold it for the first 5 minutes, then we'll alternate. Basically, like.
No. Then you take it first. You should have brought your own flashlight,
What's
dumbass.
inside there?
Probably the basement of this area. We could possibly climb in, but nope, we're not taking that risk.
Oh man, look at it.
Ooh.
Should we go down?
No,
No,
dude. Nah.
Look at the upper. Look at this huge ass.
Bro,
Look at this huge.
stop being so out of pocket. We need to be serious right now. We're actually.
Are you serious right now, bro?
This is a really big building.
Bro, this is a huge place. How will we explore this whole complex mall? This is a mall, right? This is a shopping complex.
Yeah, it was supposed to be one.
But the location isn't good either. So I don't blame them for shutting this ass down. Oh man, this looks like a horror setting. Easily.
I'll take a nice photo for the thumbnail.
Me too, baby. Oh, the basement. Actually, send the photo to me too. Alright?
Sure. It didn't come very clear, but dude, this is actually kind of creepy right now because we're in a really big area.
10 kilometers away from our house.
Yeah, exactly, and we'd.
Like what? 2 hours by walking distance. And 15 20.
Dude, why are there so many,
A cab.
bird feathers here?
Probably dogs eating. Oh, which means there could be dogs here.
I
Dogs.
have my knife out. You have your. Grab that.
Oh, I'll just take it out.
Yeah.
No, that's why I'm on your left. Should we go through there to get to the upper?
Yeah, we need to go through here.
But let's just take a look here.
Dude, why is the smell so weird here? It's musty.
It feels good to me.
What?
Actually, someone
Suddenly stopped for no reason.
because your phone is getting old.
I guess.
What's down there? Torch.
The second layer of the basement. Time for a good picture here too. Just in case that does not.
Send me that picture as well. Well, I'll just ask you.
Okay. Let's move.
Should we just go ahead for us?
Yeah, dude, my camera is getting really damn old.
I think it's just getting built up by me.
We could directly take this staircase up.
But I don't believe in that. I don't believe that that's gonna be really
It's very firm enough.
solid floor.
Firm enough.
It probably is because it's all cemented up and it's probably rained.
Yeah, but
I'm not taking any risk.
what happened? What the fuck happened to my flashlight?
What's up with the floor? You get to behind, okay? I'm not talking about my behind.
Get.
Shut up. Look where we are right now.
We should be over, maybe. We could also try and climb here. Nah, that they're rods.
Okay, what's that? There's a
Civilization.
some spotter.
Yo. Look, now let's probably try and explore the actual complex itself. Come.
Exactly. Should we? I don't think we should go to the building. Go inside them, by the way. Go no.
We'll go a little bit inside
We
them.
can go at the max to the first floor.
Fine. Good enough.
Because if you go to the top floor, it would be a good photo. But that's for the evenings and the mornings, not for the nights. You get me?
Let's just keep moving, honestly.
And I'm going to check the behind. Because not your behind.
Bro, you don't just specify that shit.
No, I don't. The things you have been saying to me off camera.
Bro, you're the ones who have been saying that. I just give good responses.
No, I just say it for fun and you just say something so much here ke bahar that
Out of pocket, enough. Oh, what the fuck?
it does not.
Dude, I heard something.
What is? Oh, this also leads to the basement.
I heard something.
Oh, a web.
Ouch. That spike went into me.
The torch is mine now. It's been 8 minutes.
Fine, then I'll unleash my knife now.
I mean,
Okay. Boy, come on, let's go. Let's go up now.
to where?
To the building, actually, the actual complex itself.
How?
Traverse through this.
Man, this is such an obstacle, you know.
You treat it like one.
It's not like we are going to spend time in the mountains or anything.
It's not like I've been a trained scout for 10 years. Okay. We're here now.
I mean, seems to. Like,
Try and shine the flashlight inside.
Just bullshit.
What else can you expect, honestly?
A ghost.
I think that's inside the mall, actually. We can go directly from here.
Okay, let me just.
Huh.
Just the same. I think there's construction going on at the other place. We should not go too far over there. By the way, look below. What's up objects? They're literally glasses, particles of.
Yeah, and there can probably be some random rod sticking out of the ground.
Yeah, I mean, I know you like that.
Bro,
Looped up.
yo, you just gave me the worst imagination ever. Not of myself, but of never mind.
Yeah, that's your best imagination. If you were thinking about yourself. I heard something, but
from there.
Oh, that's construction. There's construction going on there. Let's not make ourselves known, you know. Let's make. Oh, look at the amount of glass. What is it?
I'm gonna keep one of these for
We
analysis.
should find an easier way. What
This
do you
is easy as hell. You can just.
Because there is a sharp object here.
Actually, yeah, I guess the glass. But you could kind of climb up here without much.
I mean, I can.
You can do it without any effort, honestly. Give me the flashlight.
That was all made of glass.
But this is solid concrete, as you can tell.
Give me the flashlight and this. And
And that also.
give me the phone.
Give me the phone now. Okay. Yo, should we go into the basement?
We should if we would go when we are exiting. That would be a better thing.
Okay. Should we go up then?
First, let's explore the ground.
Okay.
Then we think about it.
Sure.
We have like 10 minutes more.
Yeah, this recording's already been going for 7 minutes. Yo, come here.
There are two basements. Basement 1 and basement 2 here.
Yo, there's something shining over there. Give me the flashlight.
What's there? Could be an animal.
Something's shining.
Could be an animal. So
No, something's shining irregularly bright.
construction.
Bro, this site is closed down for now.
No, there is on the other.
Oh,
place.
for the other road.
I already
Here.
showed that.
Yo. Put the flashlight there. Oh my god, what the fuck?
And I only was only 190. This guy is 240.
Exactly. I was trying to say tell you that only. Or no, Moksh. Bro.
Oh, I heard something. Let's go back.
Bro, I see shadows. Dude, there's a shadow right there.
I saw something as well. I heard something. Let's go back.
Bro, nah, out. We just heard some like hum, like some kind of a exactly like some a wolf in North India in a random and
Big look over there. Big look.
oh my god.
You want a torch?
No, thank you,
Bro, you are on the lookout job. You need a torch.
bro. I need a knife in my hand rather than
Dog? No.
wait. Dude, put that thing again. Yo, that what is that?
That's just bricks.
Are you sure?
I hear something. No, it could be. There could be.
It's like a mouse, I guess. I'm hoping.
Dangerous animals.
Bro, hold the knife for me then. Hold the knife then, for yourself. Or if you want more talented, have the big rod I have.
Give me the big rod. I don't like knives.
Take the big rod.
I like big things.
Big long metal things. Should we go upstairs?
Are you sure? Because we heard a noise from upstairs on the exact floor that we're about to go to.
Because we're already stupid for going in here. Why we may as well.
Nah, man. I've got to clear JE and.
So do I,
Let's
but-
let's just get a sneak peek. Sorry.
Okay, just quick sweep. Do not fall. Do not fall there.
You are 240 pounds of pure athlete. You're the one who's gonna fall.
I'm Daniel Ricardo. I'm an athlete. I sweat.
You should go first. So that I can make sure that the ground is okay. What do you say? It's basically the same thing, same layout. Exactly the same layout.
Yo, there's somebody standing up there.
I don't know.
Do I see some kind of a heady shadow?
There's nothing up there.
I saw some kind of a shadow.
Yeah.
Dude, I heard like a whoo from here.
Yeah, it could be a snake as well, man. We should not take. It's literally the same layout.
Let's just go one round.
Just check this out. It's literally the same layout. Exactly the same layout.
But I guess now it will be more deeper so we can see.
And should we?
Dude, I can hear like a feminine hum.
I heard it. I heard the noise from behind. You hear it? It's literally on our behind.
Like it's like a whoo.
Wait.
No, dude, there's like a hum again. Dude, it's really bro. Dude, I hear it. Yo.
That's our shot.
Oh my god. Yeah, let's just take one photo from here.
Don't go even near that place, okay? You're gonna probably fall.
And break my nose on some random rod also. I might stab my face.
Or your butt might get sticked up on an.
Why do you always think about that stuff?
I don't know. You just seem like the kind of person that would do stuff like that.
Why would I intentionally fall from a one-story building on a rod on my butt?
No, you wouldn't do that.
So why? Oh my god, you.
But you would like it if that. That's no sure. Just it's literally the same now. It's actually even more big.
Yeah.
We don't need to go there.
Yeah, now we already know. Now basement.
Not through there. We should go through there.
Nah, never mind, dude. I'm creeped out. I want to go home.
What?
I want to go home. Then let's just go quickly from here.
Now, it seems too risky. There could be animals exactly in this place. Because, as you heard. Well, let's just go through it so that we are away from.
Dude, it's gonna take too much time.
Dude, it's literally gonna take the same amount of time.
Thing is, I'm also carrying a backpack.
You don't need to jump. Yeah.
Give me the flashlight or whatever. Oh, what? It's all sparkly.
Of course, it's glass.
Sparkly.
You were almost scared to death there. Okay.
Shut up.
Now you are just
Illumination. I had one of the crystals or whatever, this glass. Of course. Dude, yeah, it's an animal, but it's close. Where are we going?
We are going through there so that actually we should walk through the basement through there as well. We can see.
That's too far, dude.
Then let's just walk through the stairs over there.
We're gonna need to climb up for that.
No.
You do realize that spirits can transform into animals and all to trick us. It's called a parchava.
Your time is up. 20 minutes have gone by. We only have like 5 minutes more to explore.
Wyoming, wow. HRX skills. HRX skills, bro.
Look at this guy.
Nah, boom, 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 boom. Wyoming, wow. Huh?
I don't mean to
Offend.
intentionally offend someone by saying the N-word. I'm saying it ironically as a joke. I mean, I'm sure nobody would really care.
We don't even have much of a black audience, I guess. I don't know. So, what's your plan now?
You know the stairs over there, right?
But we have to climb up.
So why you can't climb up? Can't
No.
you do a pull-up?
No,
You cannot do a pull-up?
no.
Do you seem like you can do?
Dude, 100 and... You're a dumbass. You know I can't do it.
Well, I'll help you out. I can deadlift 175 kg.
Dude, deadlifting and an actual human person is much
It's
different.
easier because you are bigger than a
I have
rod.
more mass than a rod with...
Yeah, but you're less dense. You understand? Because you're bigger.
What does that have no sense?
You are less dense. Because you're bigger.
You're dense in the head.
I'm a disingenuous dense MF. That's what you say. Okay, so we can climb to here. Right? We take the phone as well.
Bro, I swear to God, if you fall in, I'm not coming for you.
You should not come for me. Record me. Oh, this is actually really big.
Exactly. You don't want to listen to me any of the time.
Ah, it's easy. This is easy.
This is easy. What will you do after you get in here?
You just climb out of the stairs. Are you mad, bro?
So what will you go? What,
Ready?
bro, don't fall.
There are sharp objects over there. Watch out.
I guess you record the basement honestly from my phone too. I'm now coming up. I can't come up, bro.
I'll just help you out. Come on. You know how to jump?
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Then I'm gonna keep your phone here for a second and mine as well. Come on.
Bro, I won't be able to fall back down then. नहीं फटेगी.
तेरी मैं सिलवा दूंगा.
भाई नहीं होगा.
Jump up.
Bro, it's very spiky and all.
अबे मैं कर गया भाई.
But you have long pants. I don't.
Then do it naked.
Do what naked?
Jump.
Huh? You want me to remove my clothes?
Just jump. Give me your bag.
What do you mean? What do you want my bag?
Lessen the weight, man. You're not working out.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm keeping it on the ground.
Give me that water.
Let me just drink it as well.
I am prepared for all outcomes.
Okay.
Bro, what if you fall trying to help me up?
Come on, man. It's not that bad.
It is that bad.
Jump and then use your hands pressure to help you
Dude,
up.
there's a
Then
lot of spiky stuff or else I might have actually done it, but
put it ahead. Like this. Yeah. Now jump up and then use your arms. Use your arms. No, not like that.
you want me to what? Crawl?
Like I did. You saw me? I just jumped up and then put my leg up. Yeah, like that. Good. Keep doing what you're doing.
I can do it. Leave me.
Okay.
Oh. Who?
250 pounds of pure athlete, as I said. Okay.
Oh boy.
Take this. Take your phone.
Give me my phone, give me my flashlight, and give me my rod.
I'm gonna use the flashlight. You're gonna use the rod.
Okay. We have officially taken the unnecessarily risky route because of what?
So that we don't turn into animals.
We won't turn into animals. You're not werewolves.
We don't run into animals. I said. You moron.
They can be animals here too.
Yeah, but we are bigger animals.
No,
Humans are the biggest animals. Yeah.
Oh yeah, totally. The whale. Bro.
Stop shouting.
I'm trying to be safe.
Mud here everywhere. Let's just give a sneak peek. It's all there's mud and cement and probably dangerous gases. Just and cobwebs. Look at that. It looks cool. Right?
Look at that. Cobweb. Bye bye. Ah. Bro, not funny. Not funny at all.
Oh, what the hell? You should look at this place. This is all just cement material and mud and
Yeah, not much to see here, and I'm not gonna go down these unreliable paths. Sorry,
and
no,
the
bro.
gases must be ready.
Yeah,
It's literally the same thing over and over.
yeah.
Look at that big pile of mud.
I don't wanna
let's
see
go
what
ahead.
I'm
I
doing.
can literally see the dust through the Tyndall effect.
Yeah,
Even you guys can.
Yeah, of course.
The dust particles are so large.
we don't wanna get that into our systems.
I mean, we already have, but not much.
We hope. Imagine we just go home and the spirit just cursed us with like type 2 diabetes.
Well, then nobody would know because I would absolutely believe that you naturally got type 2 diabetes. Okay.
Shut up. Go.
Hopefully, I do not die.
It's not that big of a jump, bro. People have survived from plane crashes. My turn now.
240 pounds of pure athlete just jumping. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you've got night vision on. Oh man, you're locked in. Look at those calves. Look at that muscle. Jump. Bro, just jump. It's not that big. It's literally half the height of you. I mean, not.
know.
Bro, you're just dirtying yourself.
I'm sorry, but I'm not taking that risk of breaking my ankles.
Yeah,
Come
you.
on, come on,
Also,
come.
this guy skips leg day, and
I
this.
do not skip leg day.
Yeah, I mean he does leg day every day. I don't know for why, but
Bro, put that rock violation in proper format, or else I'm gonna break my ankles.
Just do it like that.
No, put it on top.
Just do it.
Just do it. I have Nike shoes.
Just do it, or I'm gonna book an auto and go home.
Really?
Yeah.
With my phone?
Yeah, with your phone. I do not know the pattern. I'll just.
Bro, that was not that deep. Oh my god. That was so dumbass of me. It was not that big. I literally could have just hopped off. Like a bunny.
That was very double meaning.
Like a bunny. Now let's leave, bro.
We didn't go through the. Oh, I heard something there too.
We're not going through there. Nah. Nope. Let's go.
Yeah, we've already spent too much time. We are already running late.
Yeah, already 25 minutes.
For a second. For a brief bit.
Yo, what happened to my camera? Why did it go all night vision mode?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there is a dude there, so we should go. Not make our presence known. Let's go.
Bro, it's here.
No, that's another.
We can go from here quickly.
did the gym till failure. And I should go home and take work out. But no, I'm here eating all these capsules while I have a 7-hour coaching tomorrow.
Motherfucker. I'm a.
Dude, are you a moron? Let's go through there.
Now, we turn to this problem.
Not me.
I can step on that.
The toss. I'm gonna keep the toss here. You record me.
Bro.
Doing cool stuff, okay? Calisthenics OP. Look at my triceps.
Bro, just do this. We need to go.
Don't step into that.
Imagine if this just suddenly went in.
No, into reality. Back room. Shut up.
No, what if this just went inside and we just found some secret tomb?
Shut up.
Bro, unlocked trauma. New fear unlocked.
Ready?
Okay.
Why am I telling you that?
Okay, move it.
Go through there. The ground is really liquid. Oh. Anyways, let's do
Or
it
maybe the
so
tomb.
that he bites you first.
That's basically the concept of I don't have to outrun it, I have to outrun you. Bro, at least hold my phone.
Let me just collect myself a bit. Help? You need help? Oh man, Sigma OP. Ohio Skibidi Sigma. Your level 100 Gyat is mewing at me.
What? What? How there's a Gyat Mew at a... What the fuck?
I'm using brain rot.
Now let's just get out of here. I mean by that I mean to go home. Yes. Thank you guys for following us. Friend, follow
For a different
him.
POV of the same exploration.
For
And follow me for better
the
exploration.
second part and
And goodbye. And
FGT out.